Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. On today's tutorial, we are going to show you some Excel tips that can help improve your productivity. Now, the very first one we are going to look at is the flash fill, right? Good. So it helps you autofill patterns, and then in our case here, we have the names of employees joined together, and then we want to separate them into their first and their last name. So the very first one we have James, and then the last name we have Clark. Now, what the flash fill will help us do is that it will help us to sort out all the first name and the last name when we use the shortcut Control E. You now see that it has sorted out all the first name. Similarly, it has also sorted out all the last names, right? Good. So we have the first name and the last name sorted out depending on the total number of names we have. The next we are going to look at is the quick analysis tool, which is the Control Q, right? Good. So it helps us to add formatting tools, chart, and the rest of that. So let's say we want to work with the monthly sales data, right? Good. So we go with Control Q. Now we have different formattings, right? Good. So we have for the data bar, if we want to format using the data bar, if we want to format using what color scale, maybe icon greater than or less than, maybe there will be a condition for this. We have the top percentage, right? Good. The top 10. Then if we come to chart, we are going to see different charts that will be used to visualize the data we have. So this is the clustered column, we have the clustered bar, we have the line, we have the scattered plot, we have the pie chart. So if you need more, you click on this, right? Good. Similarly, if you want to get total, you have the sum. This gives you some statistical analysis of the highlighted column, right? Good. So this number of count, you can see we have 8 there. The total in percentage, the running total, there are more if you click on this. So this gives you that total. If you come to table, it converts it to table, to a pivot table. This is different representation of what the pivot tables. Then if you come to the spark lines, you can also see the visualization using the different spark lines, right? Good. So that is what that particular shortcut does for you, which is the Control Q. Now we also haven't selected this our column. We come to conditional formatting. It's similar to what we have done. So if we say we want to highlight cells that are greater than a particular value, so let's say 15,000 sales, okay, that's 5,000. You are going to see that these are sales that are greater than 15,000, right? Good. So that's under the conditional formatting. If we still say we need sales that are less than maybe 12,000, we are going to also see sales that are less than what? You can see the sales that are, okay, it's just one that is less than 12,000, right? Good. So this is another way to gain insight from your data, right? Then we also have the Excel tables, right? Good. So we have this our employee data here. If we want to convert it to a table, we just highlight and then we go Control T, right? Good. So it's asking us to create a table based on this range of data. We say yes, and then we have to check my table as headers. We click on OK, and then we can decide to give this as okay, we call that sales team, right? Good. So that's the name of the table. So with these tools, we believe that you can actually improve your productivity. If you find the video educative, interesting, you can encourage us by subscribing, turning on the notification so that you can see more interesting tutorials like this. Until we see you on the next one, have a fantastic time. Bye.